In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and utilize QuickBooks Payroll Help efficiently, ensuring you can get the assistance you need without any hassle. Managing finances can sometimes be complicated, and while QuickBooks is designed to simplify these tasks, there may be instances when you need a little extra help. That's where their dedicated support team comes into play. Firstly, to begin your journey towards solving any issue you might have with QuickBooks Payroll, you'll want to visit the QuickBooks Support page. This is the hub from which you can access all the resources and guides that QuickBooks provides. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for QuickBooks Support. Once there, you will notice a variety of categories and options designed to assist you with different parts of the software. For today, our main focus is on payroll help, so that's exactly where we'll head next. Once you're on the QuickBooks Support page, navigate to the section labeled Payroll Help. It's usually easy to spot as QuickBooks organizes its support options neatly, catering to users who seek specific solutions. Clicking on Payroll Help will bring you to a new page dedicated entirely to payroll-related inquiries. Here, you'll find a wealth of articles and guides addressing common problems and detailed instructions on how to resolve them. Inserting a quick keyword here relating to your issue can also narrow down the articles that show up, allowing you to find a more targeted solution quickly. However, there might be situations where reading through articles isn't enough, or perhaps your issue is slightly more complex. If that's the case, QuickBooks offers several interactive support options that truly enhance your customer service experience. On the Payroll Help page, you'll see options to chat, call, or schedule a callback. Utilizing these options makes it easy for you to get in direct contact with a professional who can guide you through solving your unique issue. Choosing to chat is perfect if you prefer typing out your problem and receiving immediate live responses from a QuickBooks expert. For those who prefer speaking directly, selecting the call option will connect you to someone who can assist you step by step over the phone. And if you have a busy schedule, opting to schedule a callback might be your best bet. You can choose a suitable time, and an expert will call you, allowing you to better manage your time and get the help you need at a convenient moment for you. In sum, navigating the QuickBooks Support page for payroll help is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, while providing comprehensive resources for tackling any payroll query you might have. Whether you're troubleshooting an error message or learning a new payroll feature, there's plenty of support at your fingertips. Remember, the quickest solutions often come from utilizing these support options, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Whether through chat, call, or a scheduled callback, QuickBooks Support is there to ensure your experience with their software is as smooth as possible.